I'm excited to walk you through one of our newest listings right here in the heart of Webb City, Missouri. This is 1115 Mineral Street, a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that is move-in ready and priced at just $185,000. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking for the perfect place to plant roots, or you're simply ready for a home that checks all the boxes without breaking the bank, this one is worth your full attention. Let's take a look inside. From the moment you pull up, you'll notice the clean curb appeal this home carries. Situated on a quiet, family-friendly street in Webb City, this neighborhood has that comfortable, established feel. Built in 1995, the home has great bones and the exterior presents well, giving you that warm, welcoming first impression you want when you pull into your own driveway. Webb City is a fantastic community. Great schools, friendly neighbors, and all just minutes from the shopping and restaurants along the Joplin corridor. Step inside and you're welcomed into a comfortable, functional living space that feels larger than the square footage suggests. At just over 1,050 square feet, this home is efficiently laid out. The main living area has a natural flow that connects the space together, perfect for everyday life, hosting family, or just unwinding after a busy week. Moving into the kitchen, you've got everything you need to cook, gather, and enjoy. The layout is practical and inviting, with room to move and space to make it your own. Whether you're brewing your morning coffee or cooking a big family dinner on Sunday, this kitchen is ready for real life. This home features 3 bedrooms, plenty of space for a growing family, a home office, or that guest room you've always wanted. Each room offers a comfortable footprint with natural light and the kind of quiet you're hoping for when you finally call it a night. With 2 full bathrooms, mornings in this house just got a lot easier. No more competing for mirror time. This home is set up for efficiency. It's those thoughtful touches that make this home move-in ready and perfect for a modern lifestyle. Outside, you've got a yard with real potential. Whether you're dreaming of a garden, a play area for the kids, or a fire pit for fall evenings, this is your blank canvas. And being in Webb City, you've got the space you want without sacrificing the convenience of being close to everything the Joplin Metro has to offer. So there you have it. 1115 Mineral Street, Webb City, Missouri. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,050 square feet of solid, affordable living, priced at just $185,000. At the Bobby Jean team, we exist to fight for buyers just like you. We believe that everyone deserves the chance to achieve the dream of homeownership. And homes like this one are exactly why we do what we do. If this feels like the one, or if you have questions, I want to hear from you. Give me a call, send me a text, or click the link below to schedule your private showing. I personally answer every message because your dream matters to me. Dream, believe, pursue, achieve. I'm Gary Mishler. Let's get you home.